See, I can do it myself. In our country we don't do it. And this one comes with this box. And then they have a guide, so you put it on there, automated. And they also give the wet wipe, dry wipe, and also paper, cloth to clean the
screen.
Yeah, and also a very nice guideline. So you can scan this one and go to the video, or otherwise you can follow the manual. My phone is an iPhone XR, and I never did this, and I think I always thought that this is a very difficult job, but today I'm going to do it myself because this is not my country. In my country, Bangladesh, I use the shopkeepers used to do this. So yeah, let's try. So what we do, the main thing, the screen. So we have to place the guide along here, so the screen doesn't go set in a wrong place.
Ah,
so
that's good.
Is coming out. Yeah, it's nice. This is from the internet. This one? Yeah. You see this part? You have to take off first, and then the screen is coming out. And the company, if you want to see, this is Vicxxo brand story. So this is the most important part. Okay, I set it along with the guide. You don't have to worry, I help. See?
Okay, good. Just go down, go down, go down,
Yeah,
go down.
the air is coming out itself. Now you have to help it to get set. I hope it stays long. Otherwise, I'll have to buy again. Oh, this is really good. Take off the guide now. You can see it's almost done. A few bubbles, but they will go away. Yeah, it's gone. So this is really perfect. I will take them off. Thank you for the video.